What's going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and today I'm going to be talking about a video I posted about 2 weeks ago. It was of the AutoNation Ford out there in Katy, Texas. The dealership out there, they were actually caught abusing a customer's Shelby GT500. It was a 2007 body style. I actually believe it was a 2009. But basically they were revving it shortly after, turning your car on, which any car guy will tell you that can cause damage. If the oil hasn't circulated all in the engine yet, it will cause damage. And sorry if my camera's a little shaky, I'm actually walking my dog, Thor. The first time y'all saw him was right before Harvey flooded my house. He was still a little old pup then. But yeah, this is him now. He's at least 100 pounds. He's a big old boy. But the dealership, they were revving his GT500, they were peeling out, and they were just being really unprofessional with his GT500, and he took his car specifically to this dealership because a friend actually recommended it to him because it is a known Mustang dealership. They sell, I believe, they sell the most Mustangs out of any other dealership in the country. But if you missed my video from a few weeks ago, here it is.
Pretty healthy. Ah, fuck it.
What did y'all think of that? Would y'all be okay with your dealership doing that to your car? And the only reason that he even took his car to a dealership is to have some repair work done because he got rear-ended. So he took it there and they did that to his car. And his Shelby GT500 isn't just some basic GT500. A GT500 by itself, you should know not to kind of mess around with it. Well, that's a 900 horsepower Shelby GT500, so the clearances are a lot smaller. Basically, that means that if you abuse the engine before the oil is fully circulated all throughout the engine, you could cause engine damage because all those engine components are so close together. Now, the owner of the GT500, when he saw that video, understandably, he was upset. And he went to the GM and he wasn't expecting like a full engine rebuild if it wasn't necessary. He just wants anything that's damaged replaced. Which is honestly totally understandable because if that dealership, if they were to damage anything, whether it be from the tires to the engine or anything, I would expect them to replace everything. And the crappy thing is that after Michael told him that he had about $40,000 to $50,000 wrapped up into his GT500, the GM simply said that he would refer him to a lawyer for any kind of damage or anything like that. And I think that's kind of BS because there was an issue lately where a Chevy dealership, they actually did something really similar to a Camaro SS, where they were just driving it kind of crazy around town, and the owner, he found out. Well, I saw a video of that GM talking to the employee, and he almost fired that employee. I don't even know if he did fire the employee, but it looked like it was definitely coming close. And the GM, he said that he was going to make it right. Anything that the owner asked him to replace on his car, he was going to replace.
This is the gentleman that owns that white SS. Okay. Okay. Now, I want you to choose your words very, very carefully. Tell me everywhere you've driven this man's car.
I drove it down to the Grand Parkway and back to see what the alignment problem.
That was today.
Mm-hmm. And then last week as well.
And then he's got a phone app where it shows everywhere you've romped on the gas on this guy's car.
Okay.
What gives you the right to do that? Punch out and go home.
Yes, sir.
Did this to my ZL1, I'd whip his ass.
Absolutely. Absolutely. These guys have been told time and time again.
But this is, I'm not cool with this, and I apologize. I mean, I'm not making any excuses. I mean, there are no excuses. I apologize. I will fix this, and I will take care of it.
Okay. Now, what about gas?
I will take care of it. I get it. Whatever you need, I will take care of everything. You're absolutely right. Okay? And I apologize.
All right.
All right? But I will do, I'll do everything you want to make it right, but I agree with you, and I'm going to charge it to him. So, I don't condone this behavior.
So I think that's what the Ford dealership should have done. It's kind of crappy they didn't. And don't get me wrong, I really love Ford. But this AutoNation Ford out here in Katy, they're really tarnishing Ford's name because I've had issues with them. Other people have had issues with them. And now this with the GT500 owner, I think that is absolutely insane because y'all know how much the GT500s cost. And the fact that they're going to treat someone who has a GT500 like this, I don't know. I'm kind of lost for words because you would kind of expect them to, right their wrong, fix this guy up however he wants, whether it be, new tires. At very least, this dealership should be filling this guy's tank. They should have given him 2 new rear tires, and they should have said that, you know, if there was any kind of damage to his engine, that they will be repairing it. They'll be replacing anything that's messed up. That would have been the correct response, and I would have respected the AutoNation Ford out there in Katy a lot more if that's what they would have said, but it's not. They said that they were going to refer him to their lawyer if there's any kind of damages, which is kind of BS. And what's crazy is, since this incident, the owner of the GT500 hasn't even received a single call from the GM, so that's unprofessional right there. I mean, listen, I'm the manager of a local GNC. There's nothing crazy, but even I know that the customer is, the majority of the time, is right. And even in this, like, I have to deal with really tough customers all throughout the day, and if I was in the wrong, I would right my wrong, you know, 10 times out of 10. So this dealership, they saw the videos, they should know that they're in the wrong, and the fact that they aren't stepping up to the plate, calling this dude every day, you know, getting updates every single day, kind of shows the level of professionality that that dealership has. Now, I'm not telling you to boycott this dealership, but if you want to write them something, if you want to go leave them a review on their Facebook, on their Google, or whatever, it's the AutoNation Ford right there in Katy, Texas, just off of I-10. It's kind of near, I believe, Fry Road or Greenhouse Road. I don't know Katy all that well, but this dealership, I don't know, they just, I hate talking bad about a dealership, because there are some really good people that work over there at that dealership. The salespeople, they're awesome. Some of the people that work over in the detail side of things, like the auto repair, they're awesome. I mean, I know several people that work over there. Actually, one of my subscribers, he works over there at that dealership. So I'm not just trashing this dealership. I just really feel like they aren't doing this GT500 owner very well. And if I can help in any way, whether this video helps, I mean, I would love to help. So if y'all can go leave them a review, however y'all feel like they, whatever review you feel like they deserve, give it to them. He is such a cute dog. Well, guys, that will be it for today's video. I just wanted to make this video because when I saw his update saying that nothing's been done, he hasn't even received a call, it kind of irked me. As far as that GT500 goes, I will be doing a video on it soon. I've already been talking to the owner, and he really wants to meet up with me, let me do a review on it, and let me ride around in it. And like I said, it has 900 horsepower, so be looking forward to that video soon. Well, guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and please subscribe. And as always, my dog just stepped on that snake. Come on, boy. Why you gotta step on a snake? Here I am making my outro, and out the corner of my eye, I see something kind of slithering on the ground right next to my dog. Come on. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day. Come on, Thor, let's go.